The tape diagram shows a relationship between x and y. All right, we see that. Select the context that the tape diagram could represent. So pause this video, have a go at that. Now, before I even look at the choices, I just like to think about what's going on here. So x is 4 of these units, and y is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these units. Or another way to think about it, because I know this is all about what fraction you are greater than, or what fraction you are of the original. So another way to think about it is y is equal to 7/4 of x. 7/4 of x. We can see that x is 4 units, y is 7 units. So if you took 4 here, multiply it by 7/4, you're going to get 7. Another way to think about it is y is let me write it in words. Y is, so the amount that y is larger than x, it is 3 units larger than x, and that is 3/4 of the lengths of x, is 3/4 larger, or 3/4 x larger than x. So now let's see which of these makes sense. A store sold X balloons. The next week, it sold 3/7 more balloons than the previous week. This is tempting, but when we think about how much more it's selling, we're not thinking about the fraction of the amount that we're increasing to. We would think about it as the fraction that we sold in the first week. So if this had 3/4, I would go for it, but this does not, so I don't like this choice. Navi has X number of flowers in their vase. Ina has 3/4 of the number in her vase. Well, that would be if we saw something else that was like this. That would be Ina, but I don't think that choice makes sense. So hopefully it's C. A bird collected X twigs. The next day, the bird collected 3/4 more twigs than that amount. Yeah, that makes sense. Here, the bird collected X twigs. You could say that 4 units of twigs. And the next day, the bird collected 3/4 more than those 4 units, which would be 3 more units. That's exactly what we had written right over here. And so I like choice C.